All right, this is Kurt, the boat doctor again, in this Garmin Reactor 40. Everything's working great. We're at 250, 250. Range marker straight ahead, 250. That's why I stopped this, and then we're going to engage the circle. And it's starting to do this circle. It's a 5-minute circle, which is about right. Oh, it's on the 1-minute circle right here. So you can go like this, adjust circle. You can do the time, 4 minutes. There you go. So now it's adjusted for 4 minutes. No, this, again, you can help steer with that if you need to, but it's doing a pretty good job. But that should be 63 to 65 degrees going through that. The bridge on the right hand side, the railroad trestle. I'm going to continue. I'm going to just give it a little help with the steering wheel. We don't have a lot of current, so this is working pretty good. Still turning. It hasn't locked up. So then once I get here, I'm going to wait until I get where it says 63. 73, 72, 70, 65, 75 hold. So 75 will bring us over here, 75. Okay, so then we're going to go over 10. Oh shit. Whoop. Engage. Whoa. Engage. There we go. Now we're going to go let it simmer down. We're going to go 93. Let it catch up with itself, and then even once it catches up there, wait a few seconds. I'm gonna go again. There's 83. 83. Then I'm gonna let it simmer down. I'm gonna go to 73. So the next touch should put me dead center through that bridge. 63. 63, look at that. 63, 63, holding the course. I like it. Okay, so this is set. So from here, all I was told is to come out. I didn't touch nothing on that. I went into this, I set this up, and on that was all I was supposed to check. So other than that, then sometimes you may have to go to 65, depends on the current. Then you can rip this, and that should put you to see how it's taken, because you got an electric motor over here. So now what you could do is actually drop this off if you wanted to, is go standby. Then you can come back here and you should be able to steer it, put it in gear, shut it off. But this is what I'm talking about. When this motor's up, that thing's dragging and spinning that prop. That motor should be raised up when you're using the main motor. So then we're on here, then I just flick the switch off, and that turns that off. So as far as I know, everything's hunky-dory on this, so get hold of Buzz if it's anything else, but that is like tuned. Boat doctor out. Reactor 40 autopilot setup.